Directorate of Education as Government of Manipur has directed all schools and retail outlets across the state to immediately stop circulation of Ncert Grade 6 Part 2 Social Science textbook titled Exploring Society, India and Beyond, First Edition, February 2026. The order follows a directive issued by Supreme Court of India in a suo motu case on February 26, 2026 concerning the contents of the book and related issues. In compliance with the Apex Code's instruction, all physical and digital copies of the textbook currently in circulation, storage, retail outlets or educational institutions are to be seized and removed from public access forthwith. The court has made it personal responsibility of the director of Ncert and school principals to ensure immediate seizure and sealing of books within their respective premises and to submit compliance reports. The Directorate has instructed that the seized copies be handed over to concerned Zonal Education Office on or before March 6 by 1 p.m. without fail.